Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. Today we have something excited for all music lovers, the Frontech SW0189 multimedia speaker. In this video, we will unbox it and explore all its features and finally test its out sound quality. So let's get started. Let's begin with unboxing. Ooh, here is our speaker. It is handleable speaker. I can easily handle this. And also we get a user manual. Talking about its features, here you can see on the box, it has RGB Lightning, BT compatible, USB and TF card compatible, Type-C charging. And on the side, we have other specifications as you can see. Yeah, that's it. Now let's check it out. This multimedia speaker from Frontech comes with a sleek design, perfect for your home office setup. This subwoofer, as you can see, is made up of good quality material and here is a control panel. Here is the on-off button, mode changing button, and next song button, previous song button, and power button. On the back, you can see it has the auxiliary input, TF or USB input, and a Type-C input. And here also we can see it also provided a card reader input. This is why it's called multimedia speaker. And about its key features, it has multimedia connectivity. As I already told, it supports auxiliary USB SD card and FM radio also. BT version of 5.3, output power is 8 watts, and we can also the material is ABS plus iron net. And yes, charging time up to 4 hours, playback time up to 8 hours with minimum 50% of volume. Battery capacity 1200 mAh, dimensions of, and it has 1 year limited warranty. Now it's time to real test. So now let's connect this Frontech my smartphone via Bluetooth and test its sounds. Okay guys, so first let's turn on the speaker.
The speaker is ready to pair.
So let's connect it.
Connected successfully.
Yes, it's connected. Now let's play some music. So as we have listened guys, the sound is very clear with decent bass and it's easily files a medium sized room, making it perfect for music, movies or even gaming also. So after testing, here are some quick pros and cons. And the pros is it has a good sound quality for the price, and it has multiple connectivity options, compact and very stylish, easy to handle and good to go. Very easy setup, and this RGB giving a best vibes. So about its cons, bass could be stronger if true, and no built-in battery if applicable. So bass could be stronger and no built-in battery. We have to insert this, so we have to insert the Type-C cable for charging this Bluetooth speaker. So overall, this Frontech SW0189 multimedia speaker is great budget-friendly option for everyday use. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful speaker system, this one is worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more unboxing and review videos. See you in the next one.